tim mar golf mawuok Burundi e joloch mag East Africa Golf Tour bang' yudo point 118 e final. Kwethno manoting'o jotugo ang'wen ne oloyo Kericho Club e final magikawo osimbono. Jotugo mag timno nowacho ni gibiro gi paro achiel kende mar kawo loch kendo giseikore makare. Timno nomi mich mar $1,000,000 ka koro bengi mar KCB biro sirogi dhi e tuke mar rang'iny mamalo e piny Dubai. Timbe buora mawuok e pinje mag Afrika ma ugwe gi madiere noyuoro e tukego manogo Karena Golf Club.
Thank you very much. Well done, Team Burundi.
So we have people here or golfers here from Uganda, Tanzania, Burundi, Rwanda, and of course Kenya. Over the course of the year, we've also done a few new things. We have had 4 events for caddies, Veclab, Miga, Nyeri, and Nakuru. We have done our bit to make sure that we support the environment. There has been tree planting or tree growing done consistently.
I think we've deliberately invested $3 billion to support rugby, chess, volleyball, motorsports, athletics, and golf over the last 20 years. And for me, since I took over as CEO, I said those events must be regional. They must be regional. KCB operates in 7 markets. We must be present in those 7 markets. And that's why you've seen Rally visible in